Pull the line, yeah. Come on, get in there, boy. There he goes. Yeah. Oh! Oh, shit, he's taking off. He's gonna get out.
It's a big one.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
It's a...
Dude, in case he gets off, take a picture, dude.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Oh, he got out.
No, there you go.
No, wait.
Nah, it's gonna tilt. You gotta wait till he gets more of his body in there.
Yeah, half of the body inside.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one on the line down in there. Here, let me do this. You do it. No, come on, come right down there. You got it.
Come on, swim in there.
There
he goes. There he goes. Oh,
man,
shit.
he's jumping it.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on, motherfucker. I want to get him up here so bad. He's big.
Go a little bit lower. Go lower and then pull up.
Shit, you might have to walk him to the beach.
I think I'll get it. I got the yellow shackles tied up in it.
Oh, shoot, the hook's in there. Dang it. See the oh yeah, it's hooked on the thing.
You got it.
Come on, get in there.
Now.
Help him, Pat. It's heavy. Come on, baby. It's a big old shark. Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Y'all got it? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Watch out, you're going to break it.
All right, I'm going to leave this with y'all for a little bit.
Holy shit, he's big.
That's his tail.
Oh, be careful, yeah, because he'll still bite out of water.
Wow.
Man, this is a huge thing.
Be careful, because he'll bite you out of water. The hook's in the net, Pat.
Yeah, he's gonna.
Good job.
Was it worth it now, Snaps?
It does, yeah. Thanks for coming.
Yes. Shit, that's a big.
Oh, just
Careful for his mouth.
Just
Give me the pliers.
All right.
It's on the box. It's on top of the box.
el video, güey. Es la mamá del que pescaste hace rato, te dije.
Oh, shit. Be careful, baby. Yeah, what's that little
Agárralo.
Pull him backwards, Pat. Pat, be careful, Pat.
Watch your feet.
Pat, be careful. It's the string, yeah. Watch your feet.
No, it's...
He's saying, I'm trying to swim away.
I know. He's trying to get away.
Don't get that shark near me. Don't throw it on me. There you go.
Ponle un navajazo en la cabeza o algo.
I know. You get it out and I'll go take that guy's net back. Hold on. No, don't cut it. Don't cut it.
There.
Hold on. Just give me a second.
Wow, man. Man.
Watch your foot.
So big shark, yeah.
Man, this is really, really strong.
Yeah, he is in the ankle with his fin.
This is about 50 pounds.
We're gonna have to buy a new cooler, man.
You have a bat. Do you have a bat?
A bat? No.
Hit him in the head.
Yeah.
They
Oh, we don't
knock
have
them
a...
out usually
Because
when you
they
catch
stay
them on
alive
the
a long
boat.
time.
Yeah.
Because they will bite you out of water. Almost got it out. Just get this stuff unravel.
No, corta la aleta. No. ¿La aleta? Ok.
No toda.
See, I told you you're not gonna break his line. Hold on.
Wow.
And it went underneath.
Yeah, that's what he tried to do.
That sucker hit me in the
There.
ankle.
Spin.
Look, look.
Wow. Okay. No problem.
That's cool.
Ahí déjalo en medio, aquí déjalo en medio.
Yeah, he almost went out.
Sit on him.
That's what that one did.
Sit on him.
Severed
Go like
the
that.
line.
Take a picture.
Yes. Zero deal.
Let me pick this up.
That's crazy.
Straighten out his-
And people, I still can't believe that these
A ver, Aquaman.
Hey.
Aquaman.
Yeah.
Voltea.